started thousands of miles away, in a factory where the bikes were made. Crossed the Pacific on a cargo ship, then a freight train hauled the rest of the trip. United States West Coast to the east. Next stop Middletown, the package is released. UPS said we'll be there at 4, but at 1 o'clock they were at the door. Fixing 3D printers and cutting down trees. Nobody's home, are you kidding me? Woo! We didn't sign, thought we missed our chance, but they left it by the garage in this circumstance. A big heavy box, which we had to hide. Dale and Garnet slid that big box inside. Ooh. Pop and my mom didn't say a word. They kept it a secret so the boys never heard. For every stick and every chore, they had a surprise the boys would adore. Hey, this is what hard work earns. Smiles ear to ear as the wheels turn. Pop, my mom, what a surprise. You should have seen the smiles from those guys. Hydraulic brakes, electric motor, pads adjusted so they don't hit the rotor. Thank you, mom, thank you, pop. So much fun, oh, do we have to stop? Oh, do we have to stop? Picking up sticks after every storm, working till the temp was too warm. Feeding CC, Vale and Rosie too. They love when the boys bring the food. Helping Sean out every day, building bikes the proper way. Handlebars and fenders tight, front wheels on spinning just right. Disc brakes tuned by error and trial. Rear suspension perfectly but dial. Charge the batteries while we build. The boys can't contain it, they are thrilled. Every bolt and every turn, another lesson they would learn. Working side by side as one, knowing something fun would come. Hey, this is what hard work earns. Smiles ear to ear as the wheels turn. Pop, my mom, what a surprise. You should have seen the smiles from those guys. Hydraulic brakes, electric motor, pads adjusted so they don't hit the rotor. Thank you, mom, thank you, pop. So much fun, oh, do we have to stop? Queens is green like the forest outside, built and ready for an epic ride. Dominic's is neon, looking old school, black, blue, and purple, so cool. An 80s dream with a retro glow, so controlled, he steals the show. Round the sheep and through the breeze, rolling past the corn and the trees. Every corner, every trail, past Rosie, CC, and good old should have seen the smiles from those guys. Hydraulic brakes, electric motor, pads adjusted so they don't hit the rotor. Thank you, mom, thank you, pop. So much fun, oh, do we have to stop? Oh, ride all day at Mark and Joe's, we'll always play. Whoa, hold on tight, best surprise of our whole life. Pop, mom, we had no idea. We thought it was maybe something from IKEA. Two brothers riding side by side. Thank you so much for the electric ride.